YouTube, man, y'all see the video. Y'all see the head title, man. Y'all see it. My package is here, YouTube. Hold on, let me shut this door. Hold on. Boom. Like I said though, the package is here. I'm not even finna waste no time. No time gonna be wasted, YouTube. Let's get straight into the video. Boom. First off, try not to show my address.
We don't care.
Can I just take this off? No. So first off, let's just open it up. Feel me? Try not to show my address, bro. Let's just get a look at the glasses. Okay, bubble wrap. I feel the bubble wrap. Get rid of that. Bubble wrap. Okay. The glasses. Here they are. Boom. Hold on. Let's get them at the wrapper. These drones, low-key, is... This unboxing really was slow. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This like, it was a fast unboxing. Like, there was really not much to unbox. I just needed a video. Here they are in all their glory. Wait, do this come off? Or is that just on there? I don't want to scratch the lens. Boom. Here they are, y'all. Chromehearts, as y'all can see. Chromeheart. Feel me? We got Chromeheart everywhere. We got Chromeheart inside the thing, as y'all can see. Can y'all see that? Is it focused? I'm gonna take, if y'all can't see this, I'm gonna take a picture and show y'all Chromeheart, as y'all can see. It's boom. Let's see how they look on the face. Hold on. Oh hell no! They look weird though. They do look weird, but like, it's chilling, like, and it's like right here, you can't really see it, but like, they just feel weird on the face though. I don't know what to say about them. Like, to be honest, I like the way these look better. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Y'all let me know in the comments though. Let me know which one y'all think look better. These ones right here, or these right here. This is really was, this, like I said, this review was, if you know, I'm still gonna take some pictures with them though. But all in all, they might get sold. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I might just sell them. Feel me? I got my video out of them. Feel me? I got my couple videos out of them. I might just sell them and get some different ones. Cause if I'm being 100% honest with y'all, I sold the wrong ones. I mean, I bought the wrong ones. I'm tripping. I bought the wrong ones, shit. I was supposed to buy the ones with like a square frame and not like the circle frame, because I don't like the circle frames. I don't even get those in my prescription glasses. I don't know why I bought these ones with this, because I don't like how I can see like this out here. Like, I don't like how that's like all wrong. But with these, like, it's just like a, and I guess it's because these is closer to my face too than the Chromeheart shit, because I'm gonna take it to my prescription, because y'all can't see, like, y'all can see the difference. Like, these are more, these is like 100% straight, and these got like a bend to them. Or if I don't take them to, if I don't go to my like eye doctor to where she can bend them, then I'm probably gonna take them to my I'm probably gonna take them to the stove. Feel me? If y'all want to see that, let me know. I'm gonna take them to the stove probably and do that. But these are the glasses. How y'all like them? I think they're cool. They chill. Something like, feel me? I got them because they're blue light. I need some blue light glasses, and I didn't want to pay for blue light prescription lenses because they wasn't gonna come with my like. It wasn't gonna come with insurance. I need the light from this PC to bounce off. Boom. But what y'all think about them? Because if y'all like them, I like them. For me, y'all like family to me. I love y'all. So if y'all love them, I love them. If you like it, I like it. So y'all let me know what y'all think about them. Oh yeah, wait. Before I leave, tap in with the Twitch, tap in with the Discord, Instagram, and the hold on, Twitch, Discord, Instagram, and the Snapchat. Tap in with all of them. Let me see you on the next one. 21 been lit. Catch y'all on the next one. 21 been lit. Catch y'all on the next one.